Other news here tonight, and after months of marathon efforts to avoid this fate, Crozer Health announced today it will be shutting down after all. That sprawling health system's parent company said today it'll start the process of closing two major hospitals. Together they employ thousands of people and serve hundreds of thousands of patients in Delaware County. Action News' John Paul live in Upland tonight. John, hard to overstate the ripple effect that this will have.
Yeah, it's going to be a huge effect, Brian. I mean, not only do we have the thousands of employees who work at these two hospitals who will need to find a new job, but also the thousands and thousands of patients who rely on the care at these hospitals. In fact, Crozer announced that they'll start diverting patients on Wednesday.
Without the services right here in this community, these people are going to die.
Anger tonight as Prospect Medical Holdings announces that Crozer-Chester Medical Center in Upland and Taylor Hospital in Ridley Park will close. It comes after months of fighting in bankruptcy court and millions of dollars injected into the Delaware County hospital system to keep it open.
How does this make sense? You know, it just feels like there's money to bail out airlines and auto industries and even SEPTA, and there's no money to save this hospital for this community.
Today, Governor Josh Shapiro issued a scathing statement about the closure, saying in part, Prospect Medical Holdings, the for-profit owner of Crozer Health, pillaged these hospitals for their own gain. And today we see the result of their greed and mismanagement. The closure could come in a matter of days, outraging officials who have been fighting to keep the hospitals open.
They're going forward with an expedited closure, a closure faster than what the regulations permit. You know, they need to be held responsible. The former owners have extracted hundreds of millions of dollars, and that bankruptcy judge needs to hold them accountable.
The move will impact up to 3,000 workers at both hospitals and countless patients who now have 10 days to find another provider.
And tell them that we're not going to take care of them anymore and that they have to transition somewhere else is hard.
The move will impact up to 3,000 workers at both hospitals. Today we saw employees and community members left in tears. Dejana Leith beat colon cancer here 10 years ago and can't believe the hospital will close its doors for good.
It's just crazy to know that we're not going to have this hospital.
Now, Brian, the hospitals could close by May 2nd, and until then, Crozer is working on a transfer agreement with other health systems. The next closest hospital, though, is some 30 minutes away. We're live tonight in Upland. John Paul, Channel 6 Action News. Brian?
Okay, John, thank you.